Where Manila was born, Intramuros. From when the city was founded in 1571 until the Spanish rule in 1878, Manila was Intramuros. The name Intramuros means inside the wall.
For 400 years, Intramuros was served as the center of Spanish occupation, originally built for the residence of Spanish government officials and for their families. It was where most of the influential and wealthy citizens of colonial Manila lived. The natives and Chinese are not allowed to live in Intramuros, only the Spanish elite and the mestizos.
The walls of Intramuros were meant to protect the city from foreign invasions. Today, Intramuros is a prominent tourist spot where visitors can experience the Spanish era through the world city's churches, museums, and restaurants.
Approximately 600 prisoners of war died because of suffocation or hunger in extremely tight dungeons at the Fort Santiago.
Is initially built as a simple parish in Manila in 1571 by a water event. A circular bridge, it was dedicated to Our Lady of Immaculate Conception. Back then, it was simply made of mirra and bamboo. On December 21, 1581, its statue was elevated to cathedral by Bishop Salazar. The promotion happened 2 years after Pope Gregory established the Diocese of Manila, which was put under the supervision of the Archbishop of Mexico.
No one can enter Intramuros walls but Spanish, servants, and the king.
Outside Manila lived Filipino and Chinese merchants. The latter were forced lived in a ghetto were conveniently located the range of Intramuros place the Chinese revolted against the Spanish rule. San Agustin Church is the first European stone church designed along the Spanish lines in Manila. It has 14 side churches and a beautiful trunk ceiling. It has a small museum beside the church, which contains the Spanish-era vestments, furnitures, and religious artworks. Puerto de San Diego contains remnants of a fort that was built by Jesus Antonio Seden.
Welcome to Casa Manila. Casa Manila is a reconstruction of a Spanish colonial home of the 19th century. You can see that in each room of Casa Manila is decorated in Spanish style, complete with antique furnitures, fixtures, and artwork.
So, how did you knew about this place, the Intramuros, here in the Philippines?
Just kind of word of mouth. I think your mum first.
Yeah, my mum mentioned it back in Australia. And then you were looking up Fort.
Yeah, it's, I came across like Fort Santiago. So I didn't actually know about, what's it called again?
Intramuros. Historical
Yeah.
place.
I only knew about Fort,
Fort
Santiago.
Santiago.
And then we just kind of came down and it was like, whoa, this is a bit bigger than we thought. So,
So, how did you find the place?
yeah,
whole-
really kind of eye-opening. I didn't really know a lot about Filipino culture before we came over. So yeah, it was good to look into a bit more.
So, upon wandering around, what is the best spot or the best place you can
For you,
you can
for
find,
you.
or what is your favorite place?
Inside
Yes,
here.
inside here.
What have we passed?
Probably the Rizal kind of
Museum?
or museum
Yeah.
kind of thing on that side.
Did you guys know
Rizal.
Rizal? Do you learn about that in school?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so
He's our
pretty
national hero.
National
Yes.
hero. Oh, that makes sense. We were wondering what happened with Rizal until we got inside. Wow.
So if you have another chance to go back here, would you go back?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Bring some friends.
Okay, thank you for